we're not getting any we're getting a beep beep. It's okay. It's been a while since I did this. Alright, so we got that nice FedEx coming. Coming hot. Oh jeez, we have a mini lap in it. You guys can try to deal with the mini lap fitting. Come on! Come on, FedEx! Come on! Okay. Oh dear. Got loud one guy. It's got one lousy person here. Do you have a horn? No? No horn. I think he did horn. I'm not fully sure. Alright. Come on, guys. We have an 83. Let's try to get up to 90. 90. Can we try to get up to 90? Because if we can get up to 90, I would give all the YouTubers a big shout out at one, Train World. Train World. Is last part was like 8555 or something. Go subscribe to him. He has 100. Go give him some support. And what I also want to say, and follow me and subscribe, hit that bell. And we got a truck here, so. I like that rhythm. Oh, jeez. You're in a rush. Alright. Got a truck. Why are they coming in fast? They are coming in crazy fast. Okay. Okay. Well, they're all falling in a conga line. So, yeah. Let's wait for a truck. Let's see how this truck does it. Look at this truck. Whoa. Nope. I guess he didn't have a horn. The truck going in? Okay. Alright. It's like 100, but it's like 80 degrees, 90, somewhat around there. And it's nice, it's cool. It's a nice shadow day to do this kind of stuff here. You are gonna have a house. I knew it. We got another Freightliner, new one. Now, if we could try to get one of the lucky new Mack Anthem, oh, that'd be a legendary. That's what I like. Woo! Nope. We got the star of the show. Just